6-year 100,000 Jaguar Approved Zero Deductible Certified Warranty until March 30, 2022. Prestige Model XF all-wheel drive MSRP was $67,110. This Jaguar also comes with covered maintenance for 5 years and 60,000 miles. Options including adaptive dynamics, vision package, heated front windshield, Sirius Satellite radio, heads-up display, Sirius Satellite radio, InControl navigation and comfort and convenience package 2. Courtesy loaner for our service customers, washed and vacuumed every time it was in use and serviced by the book. Snow tires used during winter months, so the all-season tires have less than 7,500 miles on them. 165-point Jaguar certified inspection performed and everything recommended was done, including refinish curved alloy wheel, interior and exterior detailing. Anything not like new will be taken care of by us. Hurry in on this great buy, it is now ready for its new owner.